You and I might know them as a little fish that's delicious to eat, more than fun to catch, and only come face to face with them in the wild when we use them as bait to chase bigger game. But the Australian sardine is caught commercially from around the Queensland border with New South Wales to Victoria, and around the Gulfs of South Australia and along the southern coasts of Western Australia. They can live up to 9 years and grow up to 250 millimetres long, reaching maturity at around 145 millimetres in 1 or 2 years. There's a growing consensus among scientists that there are 4 separate biological stocks of sardines around Australia's southern coasts. And there is evidence that the southeastern Australian ecosystem, including the Great Australian Bight, is less sensitive to the harvesting of low trophic level species such as the sardine than other ecosystems worldwide. So it's not surprising that the South Australian biological stock has an estimated spawning biomass of 150,000 tonnes. Now that's a lot of sardines. The Eastern Australian and Western Australian West Coast stocks are estimated to each have a spawning mass of at least 25,000 tonne. And the Western Australian Southern Coast stock is estimated at 97,000 tonne. All of these stocks are considered to be sustainable, with exploitation rates as low as 10% of the stock. Total annual catches are under 875 tonnes for the East Coast, about 31,981 tonnes for Southern Australia, and just under 2,000 tonnes for the combined Western Australian fisheries. Almost 35,000 tonnes is a lot of nutrition, and you can find out a lot more on how to cook and enjoy fresh Australian sardines at fishfiles.com.au. It's another FRDC website with a wealth of handy information, like the 700 milligrams of calcium you'll get from every 100 grams of sardine, and delicious recipes that go way beyond sardines on toast, like this one that serves them with red currants. Australia's fisheries are among the best managed in the world. However, we can't rest on our laurels and past performance. Fish stocks are constantly changing and require ongoing monitoring. You can keep up with all the current facts in the National Status of Key Australian Fish Stocks report anytime you wish, just by clicking on fish.gov.au. Check it out now and see how FRDC is all about fishing for our future.